Today guys, we're fixing our BMW X5. So got a check engine light which says there's a problem with our evap. There's like a small evap leak. So what happens is, initially it will give you a warning on the dash. It says that says check filler cap. Now the problem with that is that it will show up first, and then you try to tighten it, it will go away. Then later on it will go back again on the next restart, and then you tighten it again, and then it will go off, and then the third time I guess it will be like a permanent check engine light which says small evap leak. So we're gonna show you what the problem is. So if you look at my filler cap, it's all cracked. It's a very old cap. Look at those cracks there. Yep, large ones. This can cause a check engine light. And this is your original BMW. Go for the original BMW. You could buy them in Amazon for 41 bucks. I think it will take like probably almost more than a week for shipping. So here's my replacement from Amazon. An original BMW product. So comparing the old one and the new one. So the color is different and it has this strap there. Yeah, my old one has missing. Yep. If you look at this, I have like also a broken one. Yeah, this is like really old. Yep. Go for original BMW. Should have a logo in there. Okay, put it there. Yeah. I wonder where this strap goes. Okay. I need to figure out. Oh, okay. So this one goes over here. So, yep. Just like slide it. Okay, it's tough with one hand. Okay, now it's there, secured. And basically, what I'll do is let's try taking this out. Wow, it's really tight. And just, yeah, it's like this is way too short. I think it's fine.